Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Elementor page full width. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and open the page you wish to edit with Elementor. Once inside the Elementor editor, look for the gear icon in the bottom left corner. Click on it to access the page settings. From there, you will find the page layout option. Select Elementor full width to apply the change. It is important to understand the difference between Elementor full width and Elementor canvas. The full width option expands your content to the edges of the screen while still retaining your website's header and footer. Conversely, Elementor canvas provides a completely blank slate, removing all theme elements, including the header and footer. This gives you total design freedom for landing pages or custom sections. Beyond the page template, you can also control the width of individual sections. Click on the 6-dot handle of any section to open its settings. Under the Layout tab, locate the Content Width option. Change it from box to full width to make that specific section span the entire screen. You can also fine-tune the column gap and padding to achieve your desired visual effect, ensuring a seamless design. If your page is not appearing full width, there are a few things to check. First, ensure your WordPress theme's default page template is not overriding Elementor settings. Sometimes, custom CSS from your theme or a plugin can also interfere. Finally, always remember to clear your website's cache after making any layout changes. This ensures that the most recent version of your page is displayed to visitors, resolving many common display issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.